Did you know that one of Australia's most famous mysteries was finally solved after 74 years, but it only made things more confusing? In 1948, a man was found dead on Somerton Beach in Adelaide. He had no identification, no wallet, nothing. The only clue was a tiny piece of paper in his pocket with the words Tamam Shud written on it. For decades, nobody knew who he was. People called him the Somerton Man. The code seemed impossible to crack. Some thought he was a spy. Others believed he was murdered by secret agents. Then in 2022, scientists used DNA testing and finally discovered his name, Carl Webb. But here's where it gets really weird. Even though we know who he was, we still don't know how he died. What poison killed him? Why did he have that mysterious code? And why did a married woman named Jessica Thompson lie to police about knowing him for over 50 years? Was Carl Webb really just an ordinary man? Or was he hiding something much darker?